Okay, Zoe. Do you want to do ducky earrings? Come on, Zoe. Oh, let's get something. Want to see? Look. 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 Tell people what we're going to do. We're going to do me doggy earring calendar day 6, and we're doing it very early. I don't know why. Zoe, what was that? On you. Now, Sissy has the scoots. Huh. Yeah. Is this day 6? No. That one? No. 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 Yeah. Okay. Let's see what you're going to get today. Whoa. Okay, let's get this if it wants to come to you. Whoa, Zoe. Wow, honey. Whoa, there's 2 in here? All for you? Beautiful. Sissy needs a drink. Her coffee that she spilt because her sister's bipolar. Frustrated with life. Uh-oh. Treat time, treat time, treat time, treat, treat, treat. Ow. She hurts me right there. You little nerd. No. Oh. Whoa, girl. Okay, that was day 6. And tomorrow we're gonna do day 7. Yeah, let's see for day 7. Let's see if I get peeks. Oh, I think there's 2 in there. 2. And then the next day there's 2. And then the following 2. 2. 2. Looks like 2. Whoa, you're so lucky, Zoe. I don't even get human treats like this, but there's the chocolate ones, but that one could get a little bit boring. So did you like today's? Yeah, I did. I think this is really good. Real good, Zoe. Well, tell the people. Tell the people. Tell them. Bye, people. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow, people. Ref. Thank you. What was that? What was that? What was that? What's that?